Yeah, hey, this is Ronnie with a cigarette in my mouth, and I just fired up my barbecue. It's about 10 o'clock. I was watching YouTube and stuff on my phone after the NASCAR race, and I'm doing a little experiment. I got the screen doors and everything open now, just using my surround sound, and gonna listen to Tommy the Cat, because I'm making a speaker to sit out here. I'm not gonna fire up my big stereo in the house because, yeah, I did walk the dog. I just want to compare it to my surround sound speaker setup and see if I can get it to play. Now I have my Roku that I'm using, and it's FR, frequency response, not infrared. So theoretically, if I hit this button and hit OK, it should start playing. But I didn't rehearse this, so Ronnie, rehearse shit? No, let's go for it. If it don't work, oh, hey! Look at that. And then my cigarette goes out. Yeah, I got a big pork steak, but I'm curious to see. I got my new wheels for everything but that. Okay, now I'm inside my living room. Okay, that's inside my living room. Now, with the doors open, just a surround sound, okay? This is what it sounds like out on the deck. My damn cigarette went out again. Yeah. Shit'll kill you. Like, humans are gonna live forever, right? I don't frickin' think so. Yeah, that's what it sounds like with the doors open, because it's 73 degrees out. I don't have to run the AC. You know, not bad for a surround sound system for movies and shit. But I'm curious to see when I get my box built. I got a box ordered. It's different. My mini Bluetooth, I'm gonna have a little bigger Bluetooth, but with the speakers I put in, I had to get a little more AO. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'll have videos of it. But yeah, we got her fired up. Oh, the cats don't like premise. They haul ass every time. But yeah, there you go. Here's standing. Well, let's sit in my chair, my awesome rocking chair, and we can hear what it sounds like, kind of, sort of. I don't know which way the mic faces on this thing, so. Well, there you go. That's what it sounds like inside the house. We'll see when I get my Bluetooth speaker box done. Just run through my cell phone, you know, sitting over here somewhere. See if it thumps better than that. I think it'll sound better because the speakers are set up for the speakers I have in there are set up for 5-to-1 surround, so they're not even aiming this way. So there you go. I said my big dog I got in the bedroom and in the living room, I fired up. That kind of big dog. Oh yeah, you definitely hear it, but I like it playing. All right, man, there you go. Little update. Have a heart, love, peace. Tomorrow's a new day. I just keep playing when I got time. I'll let you know. I'll make some more vids. Love y'all. I'll see you later. I'll be back. I promise.